You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new and if you haven't been here before. My name is Megan and I make tons of cleaning videos, mom videos, everything like that. But today I have another quick little cleaning video for you, so I hope you all enjoy it. But to everyone that has been watching me and has been a loyal subscriber, thank you so much. I'm so sorry I haven't posted in a couple weeks. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably already know why. I'm not going to get into it here on YouTube, but if you'd like to know, then go ahead and go over to my Instagram and I kind of touch base on it just a little bit. But anyway, like I said, I really do appreciate you guys sticking around, even though I haven't been here in a couple weeks. But I am back, I promise I'm back and I'm here to stay. So I hope you all enjoy this, and let me know down in the comments how long you have been watching my videos, or if you're new or anything like that, so I can come down there and chat with you. And thank you personally if you have been here the whole time. My daughter just sneezed in the background, I'm sorry if you can hear that. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump on into the video.
Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? Yeah, yeah. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. There's usually...
Okay, so I was going to delete this clip, but then when I was watching it back, it was so funny, so I had to add it. But I'm too short to reach the top of the cabinet up there, so I had this bright idea to get these tongs and try and do it that way, and it did not quite work. And of course my son over there caught the entire thing and was cracking up at me. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that.
On the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
Coming to the end of a one-way street. Wish I could wake up, but it's not a dream. Staring at the wall right in front of me. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. I keep asking why? That's still on my mind.
You guys, I'm so sorry for the amount of cleavage right here. I did not even realize how much was going on right there until halfway through filming this video, so I promise I add an undershirt a little bit later. I'm a nursing mama, so please just excuse me, give me a pass to slide this time. I'm so sorry. I promise I'll fix it as soon as I realize what's going on here.
Tell me, do I ever cross your mind? Maybe what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care.
Okay, now I'm going to be using the Wayman's stainless steel wipes on the fridge and the microwave. I love these. They make your stainless steel appliances look so shiny. You just wipe them down with the wipe, and then after you go over the appliances with a dry rag.
It's been like a year since we're together. I should bring a feeling a whole lot better. I keep asking why? I really try. All the sleepless nights I counted hours. Gotta move on, but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Now I'm asking why. I still miss fun with you by my side. Staying up late, catch a morning ride. I had it all. I keep asking why? You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should really feel a whole lot better. I keep asking.
Okay, so if you are new here, this is my son Jaden. He is 5 years old and he loves to help. So right now he's going to be picking up the pillows off the floor and kind of arranging them however he wants to on the couch.
Just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love gun. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you how fear we are done, that we are done.
Okay, you guys, that's going to be all for my cleaning video today. Thank you so much for watching and coming back to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one.
Come on, come on.